This is calcium chloride, so it's CaCl2. This is what we're going to burn first. I'm going to walk around, grab one of these sticks, and then once you have it, burn it to see what color it produces.
Orange, yeah?
Yeah, mine went up.
Okay.
So it wasn't that.
Okay. Red.
It was red/orange.
You'll see what.
Reddish orange.
I'm betting that sodium's gonna be orange.
You're guessing it's gonna be orange, and he says it's probably gonna be green. What is like?
Oh,
No, it's like orange.
that's sodium.
That's definitely orange.
Yeah.
No, it's orange.
Yeah. Next one.
Fair enough.
Got it. Thank you.
Sini?
Is this potassium, Mr. Leicher?
Oh, that's strontium.
That's strontium.
Can I have a kilogram of this stuff, Mr. Leicher?
Potassium? Purple. Yeah, it's a pretty cool one. So these excited states, remember these electrons get super excited. They jump these energy levels, and then when they release their energy, that's when they produce all of that light. Answer the questions on the back with ease. If you have troubles with them, please let me know, but it's due tomorrow for homework. If you want to work with your lab partner to do the last 10 questions, then please be my guest. Again, you may need to look at the color spectrum in your notes to double check